Hello everyone, welcome to DG underscore English. Today we're going to learn English while cooking. So let me show you how to make easy, delicious, crispy onion and cabbage fritters. Onion bhajis, also known as kanda bhaji or onion pakora, are crispy, spiced Indian fritters. So let's get cooking. To make crispy onion bhaji, you need ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, put half of a finely chopped cabbage, add thin strips of 2 medium-sized red onions, add 10 finely chopped green chilies, cumin seeds, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, pinch of baking soda, and 1 1/2 bowl of besan or gram flour. If you want other things in your onion fritters like carom seed, ginger, cilantro, then go for it. Then what you do is you really crush this onion, not mixing, crushing. So for this onion fritters, you have to slice your onions really thin because what we want to do is we want to use onions juice instead of using water. We will try not to, but if we have to use water, we will. Mash and mix everything together using your hands, clean hands. The flour should stick to the onions. Slowly sprinkle 3 to 4 tablespoons of water over the mixture. The mixture should be thick and sticky, not wet or runny. This is the consistency you should be looking for. Not watery, not too thick, just a nice mixture. So the mixture or batter is ready. Now pour oil into a deep pan or a wok about 2 inches deep. Place the wok on a stove and turn it on. Heat it on medium. To check if the oil is hot enough, drop a tiny piece of batter into it. If it sizzles and floats to the top, the oil is ready. Now we are deep frying our onion fritters. Take a small handful of the onion mixture and gently drop it into the hot oil. Repeat this 3 to 4 times to cook a few bhajis at once. Fry bhajis for 3 to 4 minutes until they are golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon to flip them over halfway. This easy onion bhaji recipe uses simple, clear English verbs like slice, mix, and fry. It is perfect for beginner English learners who want to practice cooking vocabulary while making a crispy, delicious snack. Take the cooked bhajis out of the oil into the spider strainer. and place them on a plate. After you make the first batch, just check your salt level. Then repeat frying further bhajis until the mixture is all used up. This is the tastiest, quickest onion bhaji recipe I know. Once all the onion bhajis are cooked, we're going to serve them up on a plate. Serve the onion bhajis hot with ketchup, mint chutney or cup of hot tea. So I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful for cooking and for learning English. If you liked the video, do like and subscribe. Remember, the secret is in the practice, both for learning English and for cooking. Well, testing as well, right? Practice and taste. Okay, so it's time to give this onion fritters a try. It's crispy on the outside, soft and savory on the inside. Enjoy it. Check out the description box for full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.